Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python and Jupyter installed. Once done, open Jupyter Lab or Classic Notebook and focus a code cell. That triggers basic completions. Make sure Jedi is installed because Jupyter uses it for smarter suggestions. Install with pip if missing. Next, enable key bindings. Press Tab for inline completions and Control plus space for full suggestion lists. This immediate setup gets you live feedback while you type, reducing syntax errors and saving time. Once basic completions work, fine-tune behavior in settings so suggestions match your workflow. In Jupyter Lab, open Advanced Settings Editor and tweak the completer. Increase suggestion size, enable fuzzy matching, or change debounce time. This improves relevance for large projects. Make sure your kernel provides context by installing ipykernel and Jupyter Client in the same environment as your notebook. Also, enable Language Server or Notebook extensions if available. They offer typo to finalize, restart the kernel and the browser so new packages and settings load correctly. This often resolves transient issues. If suggestions still fail, make sure the notebook is running the same Python environment where Jedi and ipykernel are installed. Inspect the browser console for extension errors, and disable conflicting extensions temporarily. As a robust option, install Jupyter Lab LSB or Python Language Server for semantic completions and inline docs. That combination gives precise suggestions and a smoother coding flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.